Hello boss, running out of power during campaign, need emergency power during outage. Today I'll take you to our production line to find out the secret. A good product begins with good raw materials, so we use EVE grade A battery cell. Our production line divided into two parts. One is chip assembly, the other is motor assembly. After the initial assembly is completed, undergo manual test, then automatic machine test, aging test. Safety is the bottom line, durability is the standard, Chikurwa tests, job and battery life. Stimulate extreme scenario to ensure it can provide reliable power at all times. From factory to your hands, every portable power station comes with a quality guarantee. Better for outdoor campaign or home emergency situation, it is your reliable companion. Octal is your ideal power partner, technologically advanced, cost efficient, globally supported, and deeply committed to long-term success.